Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. So friends, action is the foundation key to all success. Now it's time to take action and achieve your goal. So Unacademy is announcing Maha Subscription Offer valid till 16 June. So friends, in this Maha Subscription Offer, you will get extended validity till mains examination. For example, if you will opt for 1 year subscription, you will get validity till mains 2022, and for 2 year subscription, you will get validity till main examination 2023. So do not forget to use code RBI Life to get Maha Subscription Offer with extended validity till main examination. So friends, hurry up, boost up your preparation with Unacademy. All the best.